Thank you, Eric, and thank you all for coming. In our first session, we're going to be focusing on what happens when food first is consumed. That is, how do messages get from the mouth and the gut to the brain? And also a discussion on what influences food choices before it even gets to the mouth. So these topics are really essential in terms of understanding the interaction of the brain and the periphery in the control of food intake. Now, we're going to begin our session with an overview of interactions of the brain and digestive system by Dr. Timothy Moran. Dr. Moran is the Paul R. McHugh Professor of Motivated Behaviors and Vice Chair and Director of Research for the Department of Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. Dr. Moran's research interests are in brain-behavior relationships as they apply to motivated behaviors, and his work focuses on brain-gut peptides as feedback controls of meal size and how these interact with neural systems involved in overall energy balance and the reward processing, with an emphasis on how these may go awry in eating disorders and obesity. And on a personal note, Dr. Moran and I both began our science careers at the E.W. Bourne Behavioral Research Laboratory, founded by Paul McHugh and Jerry Smith. Dr. Moran.